Welcome back to the channel. Today we look at the top 3 men's electric shavers selling on Amazon. I have included product links in the description to help in your decision. Choosing the right electric shaver is an essential part of grooming for men. With the market overflowing with options, finding a reliable, efficient, and cost-effective electric shaver that suits your personal needs can be time-consuming. In this review, we break down the top 3 men's electric shavers on Amazon. To make it easier for you, we compare their features, pros, and cons, catering to varying grooming preferences and budgets. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which shaver could be your perfect match. Let's get started. Up first, the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 is ideal for men seeking a no-nonsense, budget-friendly electric shaver that performs well without breaking the bank. Affordable and reliable. With a price tag that is accessible to almost everyone, the Norelco offers consistent, dependable performance. ComfortCut blades. Engineered for smooth gliding, these blades minimize irritation while enhancing comfort for daily shaves. Pop-up trimmer. Perfect for detailing sideburns, mustaches, or other areas needing a refined touch. Cordless operation. The rechargeable battery provides up to 40 minutes of shaving after a full charge, making it convenient for short grooming sessions. Easy to maintain. Detachable heads simplify the cleaning process, saving you time and effort. Limited battery life. A 40-minute runtime may fall short for men who require longer grooming sessions or frequently forget to charge their devices. Dry-only use. The lack of wet shaving functionality limits its versatility for those who prefer shaving gels or foam. Struggles with thick hair. Multiple passes may be required for coarse beards, potentially making it less efficient for men with dense facial hair. This shaver is ideal for budget-conscious men who prioritize simplicity, reliability, and fuss-free maintenance. If your grooming routine is straightforward and your hair type is not overly coarse, the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 is a great option. Next, the Braun Electric Series 3 razor stands out for its adaptability, combining efficiency and comfort for a versatile shaving experience. Dual wet and dry functionality. Designed for both dry use and wet shaving with gel or foam, this ensures a personalized grooming experience. 3 Flex Head System. The flexible shaving head adjusts to facial contours, offering a smooth and precise performance, even in tricky areas. Long battery life. With up to 45 minutes of cordless usage, it outlasts many competitors in day-to-day use. Durable foil design. The stainless steel foil is gentle on sensitive skin and effective against short hair, reducing irritation. Built-in precision trimmer. Handy for edging and maintaining facial hair, such as sideburns and goatees. Longer charging time. This razor requires an hour to fully charge, which may be inconvenient when time is limited. Not optimal for long beards. While effective for short to medium-length facial hair, it may take more effort to tackle longer growth. Noisy operation. Some users report that it produces more noise than rotary shavers during use. The Braun Series 3 is an excellent choice for men with sensitive skin who desire the flexibility of wet shaving. With an ergonomic design and adaptability, it caters well to those seeking a balance of performance, comfort, and convenience. Whether you're new to electric razors or looking for a reliable upgrade, this model is worth considering. Now the last contender. The Ufree beard trimmer targets men who want an all-in-one grooming solution. This device is not just a shaver. Its versatility makes it an appealing grooming companion for beard maintenance, body grooming, and beyond. Versatile grooming kit. Comes with multiple attachments that allow for trimming nose hair, shapely mustaches, or full-body grooming, making it a complete toolkit. Waterproof design. Fully washable and shower-safe, this trimmer lets you shave and clean conveniently. Long battery life. Its hefty 90-minute runtime provides enough power for multiple grooming sessions before recharging. Quiet operation. Designed for minimal noise, it ensures a pleasant user experience for men who appreciate quieter devices. Economical. Despite its extensive functionality, it remains affordable, delivering exceptional value for money. Not the closest shave. Unlike foil or rotary shavers, it prioritizes flexibility over closeness, making it less effective for ultra-smooth finishes. Bulky design. The larger frame may take time to get accustomed to and could compromise ease of use for detailed grooming. Attachment durability. Over time, some users have noted that certain attachments show signs of wear, implying reduced longevity. The Ufree beard trimmer works best for men who want comprehensive grooming without juggling multiple tools. Whether trimming facial hair or clipping body hair, this grooming powerhouse delivers functionality, especially for busy or budget-conscious individuals. Here's how these top contenders stack up based on their strengths. Philips Norelco Shaver 2400. Best for cost efficiency, straightforward grooming, and easy maintenance. Braun Series 3 Razor. A fantastic pick for men with sensitive skin and those who value the versatility of wet and dry shaving. Ufree Beard Trimmer. Perfect for a complete grooming experience, offering unmatched functionality at an accessible price. After analyzing the pros and cons, the Braun Series 3 electric razor emerges as the best all-around option. It combines superb adaptability, gentle performance on sensitive skin, and reliable precision trimming, securing its top spot for men seeking a versatile and premium shaving experience. For those with a tighter budget, the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 provides solid value, making it a dependable option for simple grooming needs. Meanwhile, men craving a hassle-free all-in-one solution will appreciate the Ufree beard trimmer, especially for more extensive grooming requirements. For further insights into purchasing the right device for your grooming style, be sure to check out our in-depth reviews and exclusive product links in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your picks in the comments below. Let us know if you agree with our best all-around option. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.